And then look at this. Whoa. Okay, so let's start with these. Oh. That hurts. Okay. Now, let's go to the big one. Let's try and get this into one piece. Oh, it's stuck. Oh. Wow, look at that. That is nice. It is massive icicle. I do not want to hit this with anyone. Look. Let's see what it's like up against this. Oh. This is heavy too. I mean, look. Oh, did you hear that? That thud? It's a thick layer of ice. It's not breaking as well. I think it's too dense that it won't even break. There you go. The big bang. Some more. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, there's actually more. Alright, let's get these little guys first. Look at that. That's how thick that ice was. Now look at this. Oh. Let's try and get these three together. Oh. Oh. It broke. They're on to pieces. Look at the ice. It just climbed all around the wall. From there, all the way down there. Now look at this. Oh. Break ice with ice. See, I got a piece of ice here. Let's try it. I think I am going to have to go and get a hammer. Let's see if I can get these little pieces. Oh. Look at that. Oh, I can't get the ones that are. Let's see these guys.